This is one of our greatest days whereby we set to engage the people that we serve.
For Coast Guard, it was a challenge at the beginning. They believed that they are enforcers. But when they came to realize that they are also getting it rough in actually attending their duties, they came up with a method of community approach, which as for now, we'll say that this will work because now you'll see Coast Guard are among us. They are also part of us.
So as Kenya Coast Guard Service, we sought to engage them. We train them on safety issues like the safety jackets, even to secure their own mobile phones while in the sea. We had the launch of the Usalama Baharini application. It's a mobile application developed by Kenya Coast Guard Service with the support of the European Union that is bringing in communication between us and the community.
There are so many successful stories from our BMUs, that is beach management units. In case of any distress in our waters, they are always first responders. And because they have already trained on safety training for fishers or life-saving training, they respond and save life before we arrive. So the relationship between Kenya Coast Guard Service and community has been enhanced because of this training. We can now interact, they can report anything. We are now able to understand and also make some decision whenever we are dealing with communities.
I took them through what the application looks like, how the interface is very simple. Just within 3 clicks, you are able to report a message. They were able to own the application as theirs. Not actually ours, but theirs.
Now, the idea of the blue economy ama uchumi samawati kilitokea kwa ile wakati serikali iliona iko na opening nyingine kubwa sana ya kuleta manufaa kwa the national economy of Kenya as part of the rest of the world. Na as we move forward kwa sababu na kuchunga maji, tunataka nyinyi mkue macho yetu, mkue masikio yetu na tufanye kazi kwa karibu na pamoja.
So we are very happy for all the stakeholders who have involved into this activity of today, believing that together we can. And I'm sure that Kilifi will go ahead to make sure that there is a better sustainability of fishing and for the safety of food and also safety of life.